Okay, I think the tamale pie is done. Let me give you a shot so you can see this makes a lot. And this is good too. You know, dinner doesn't have to cost lots of money. I want to get the tamale part on the bottom. So this would be a good thing if you had some friends over. You know, it's not expensive, but it's good. All right, let me taste it, and I will tell you if it tastes terrible. I'll tell you I hate it. But it's not gonna taste terrible. It's gonna taste good. And then, you know, I had made a salad, and I bought this almond milk for $2. And I also bought the large size soy milk for $2. So this would be a very economical dinner, and God bless you all.